Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into seminar. 4 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Workshop, which means a meeting at which a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. Workshop. For example, a workshop on combating job stress. Number 2. Tutorial, which means a period of tuition given by a university or college tutor to an individual or very small group. Tutorial. For example, formal teaching consists of lectures, tutorials, and practicals. Number 3. Lesson, which means a period of learning or teaching. Lesson. For example, a maths lesson. Number 4. Class, which means an occasion when pupils meet with their teacher for instruction. Class. For example, I was late for a class. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.